All right, today is video number one. My name is Dean Benton, Benton Green Energy, 864-492-1344 or 864-271-0244 local. We're a company that does home performance contracting and makes your home do better. So I'm going to do this series of videos to explain the work we do and how you can get the best bang for your buck on the work. The first thing I'm going to do is try to explain to you why you should always take care of the top of your house first. There's several reasons for that. Number one, it's usually the easiest place to access. Number two, there's a whole lot of surface area compared to the rest of the house. Here's a 1,000 square foot house, walls 20 feet by 50. So you can see the top of the house is 1,000 square feet. And if you do the exterior walls with 8-foot high walls, you're about 1,120 square feet, so within 10% of each other. The next reason, though, and the most important reason you should take care of the top of the house is because that's where the greatest amount of heat loss or heat gain occurs. The reason for that is the greatest differences in temperature between the outside of the home and the inside of the home occur there. Here's an example. In the summertime, temperatures can approach 140 degrees up in the attic, where they're about 75 down in the house. You got a delta, or a difference in temperature, of 65 degrees. In the winter, you can be 70 in the house and 20 down below, in the top of the house, with a difference of about 50 degrees. That's a big difference compared to, let's say, the outside of the house walls and the inside. Let's say 75 and 90 in the summer and 70 and 40. So you got about 30 degrees there and a lot more between the attic and the inside of the house. The second reason that it's so important is that the attic only has one air barrier. On the walls, you have an inside like drywall or lath and plaster, and the outside you have some sort of cladding. On the attic, you only have one side that has an air barrier on it, the inside. The rest of it doesn't have one on the other side. That's very important because a lot of conductive heat loss can occur that way. So those are the reasons that you always take care of the attic first.